Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Did you know that goldfish remain tiny because of the bowl in which they are kept, the vessel in which they are kept? But if the goldfish is, put into a lake, the same goldfish would grow to 100 times its tiny size. Another example is of the bonsai trees. When a bonsai tree is planted in a small pot and the roots get restricted, the tree grows to a very miniature size. And if that same tree is planted in the forest, it will grow into a massive giant tree. So why am I telling you this? The reason is the same applies to humans. When we believe that our potential is limited, then we grow into stunted little humans. But if we believe that our potential is vast, unlimited, we can do wonders. Now, the problem with the goldfish and the bonsai tree is they cannot do it themselves. Somebody else has to put them into the lake or put them into the forest. But you don't have that restriction. You can move yourself. So, step into a broader domain and grow your potential. I hope you like the idea. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.